Since its opening in 1995, Denver International Airport has been a hotbed for conspiracy theories, from alleged underground bunkers and alien symbols to apocalyptic artwork. The airport's prolonged construction has led some to speculate about hidden facilities, with claims ranging from elite hideouts to a secret prison. While some theories, like alien coordinates, are more far-fetched, others are harder to dismiss entirely. There are indeed underground tunnels, but claims about a NORAD connection remain unsubstantiated due to the impracticality of such a secret project. The airport's failed automated baggage system has fueled suspicions of a cover-up, while the eerie blue horse statue, Blucifer, and controversial murals have added to the mystique surrounding Denver International Airport. Ultimately, while many theories can be debunked, some aspects of the airport's enigmatic design and construction continue to invite speculation.